Hello. Today you get to pretend you're a teacher, or you can still be a student, and you want to order new classroom furniture for a brand new classroom. As you're drawing what your new classroom looks like, you come up with this kind of drawing. And then later on, you talk to Miss Ujiie, Mr. Odle, and Mr. Truss. Now, Miss Ujiie thinks that this is what you want to order, while Mr. Odle thinks that this expression is your order, but Mr. Truss thinks that this expression is your order for the furniture. Who's correct? And what do you need to know to figure out who should you order the furniture from? Let's pause right here and come up with a list of things you need to know to figure out which of these three people is correct for the furniture that you want to order for your classroom. Alright, now that you came up with a list of things that you want to know and need to know to figure out the answer, let's talk about some new information that you found out, or that we have for you. First piece of information that we have is that the tables that you want are 1 square yard each for these smaller tables. 1 square yard for each of the smaller tables. But as you're trying to figure out the area of the green tables, you don't know what the area of the green tables are. In fact, you're looking at different choices, but you don't know what area you want just yet. So we're going to say that X is the area of the longer tables, because right now you don't know. Now you just found out that you only have 15 to 20 minutes to order the furniture. In fact, the order has to be sent today so that the furniture comes in time for the new school year. Remember what the question is. Who's correct? Is Mr. Truss correct? Is Miss Ujiie correct? Or is Mr. Odle correct? In order to find out who's correct, you'll need to make a poster. It'll be your first draft, so it doesn't have to be perfect. And remember, you only have 15 to 20 minutes to order. Now make sure that each person in your group uses one color each, okay? So student A is going to use one color, student B chooses another color, student C chooses a different color, and student D uses a different color. Make sure each person is using one color. And then Ms. Ujiie, Mr. Odle, and Mr. Truss want you to use two ways. Create algebra tile drawings and use the distributive property to figure out which of these three people have the correct expression for your classroom. Good luck.